In this video, I will be showing you how to use n8n agent for content creation. This is actually super simple. So you can see you can start from scratch or test a simple AI agent. So you can see I'm going to be starting from scratch. First, we need to create our content using ChatGPT so we can integrate our app. So you can see open an app event. Here we can search for different type of apps. Like for example, if we are searching for chat GPT or different kind of stuff, open AI chat model. So we're going to be adding this option. You can see we have that, and we need to integrate this, right? So we can maximum number of tokens, and yeah, so this is it. And first of all, we're going to be adding this um, model, and this is basically our AI model, and then it is going to be creating some content. We can add another section, and for that we can simply right click, and you can see we have an option of duplicating. So first, when chat message is received, we can delete that basic LLM chain, and we can also delete that. Now we need to add another node. For that, you can see we have webhook, and yeah, so I'm going to be adding another app. So in here, if I search for YouTube, it's going to be opening YouTube, get a channel, get many channels, update a channel. So create a playlist, delete a playlist, and you can see now it is going to be upload a video. This is going to be our step, and this is our another step that we can combine with ChatGPT. And once you combine all of this, it is going to be basically building an automated content creation system. So in detail, if you want to go through that, you can simply watch our other videos where we teach that. And if you want to use n8n, you can use the link in the description to get some extra benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching.